Have you ever given a friend advice to help them get better? Today's word is all about sharing helpful thoughts. Welcome to Word Up with Sofia. Today's word is critique. Can you say it with me? Critique. Let's spell it together. Ready? C-R-I-T-I-Q-U-E. That spells critique. Critique means to give an opinion or review, often to help something improve. Here are some words that mean the same as critique. Say them with me. Review, like giving stars to a story you read. Evaluate, like checking your homework for mistakes. Assess, like a teacher looking over your project. Analyze, like looking closely at a picture to see details. Judge, like deciding who sang the best in music class. Each one shows how critique means giving careful feedback. Now let's look at the opposites of critique. Praise, like clapping and saying, "Great job." Ignore, like not giving any comments at all. Overlook, like missing mistakes that could be fixed. Accept, like saying, "Yes, that's fine." Compliment, like telling a friend, "I like your drawing." That's the opposite of critique. Here's a great example. Sofia critiqued her friend's story by saying, "I like the beginning, and maybe you can add more to the ending." Her feedback helped make the story stronger. Pause for a quick review. Critique means to give an opinion or review, often to help something improve. Synonyms: review, evaluate, assess, analyze, judge. Antonyms: praise, ignore, overlook, accept, compliment. A good critique makes others feel supported while helping them grow stronger. Try this. Give a kind critique of a drawing or story. Say what you liked and one idea to make it even better. Great work. You critiqued with care and gave helpful feedback. Keep giving kind and helpful words, explorers. See you tomorrow for another adventure with Word Up with Sofia.